Hello guys, this is TianChad here. So today I'm going to teach you to prepare your Samsung phone to change some settings so that you are ready to take photos with your best setting. So first thing first is to change your photo ratio from full. Like right now you can only see my face here, straight one and thin, but I would prefer to choose a 3/4 ratio so that you can have a wider view. In order to have a wider selfie, you can just zoom out or this one. Yes, so you can have a wider view photos. And then the other thing would be like the same thing, the rear camera you change it to 3/4 ratio so that you can have wider view, and also you change and switch on the grid lines. So the grid lines is actually to use the rule of thirds so that you can have easier framing of your photos. And also we can switch on like the voice control and show palm. These two ways to help you capture photo when you set your phone on a tripod. So first thing first, now you can see that there are grid lines here, so I can easily frame stuff around the intersection of lines, like one green plant here and one red plant, and perhaps there can be someone standing here at the intersection so that you can capture a nice photo in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Or I can activate the voice control to capture. So actually now, because I'm using screen recording, so the mic cannot activate the voice capture. So usually when I say capture or smile, it will start a timer and then start capture photo. But for now, you can also use another technique that's special on Samsung phone, where you just show palm and you activate the timer and capture. One more time. So just show your palm and you start capture photo. So this is how you do it. And one last step, two more tips, which is you must learn how to control the exposure. Like usually when you shoot backlight, the sky is too bright, you cannot see your plant already, right? So all you need to do is just tap and hold on your screen on the plant, and then you can further adjust the exposure to brighter or darker until your desired level, and then you tap the shutter button. And another thing, because if you want to shoot something like moving stuff, you can just use the volume button as the continuous burst shot. So just hold it and then you can start shooting. There you go. So this is how you prepare your Samsung phone to capture photos. And I think that other brands of phones, they do have a similar kind of setting, and all you need to do is go to the setting of the camera and start adjusting all the setting to what I just suggested. So this is TianChad here, and I do hope you find that all these tips are very helpful, and see you on my next video.